Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to flatten an element on Figma. So let's get started. So guys, make sure that everything and select this flatten this element as you can see here. Click single element text as you can see here. Click the right click and say flatten as you can see here. Just click flatten and everything this frame, guys. If you want to flatten this frame all, select this frame and click down, drag over everything. Now you want to see here everything will be selected as you can see here. Just see to that selected this back here and this part, and this is a frame, guys. You will not be flattened and there anything outside of this frame. Then you will actually see if this right click here, as you can see here, difference looks when you say flatten. You can see this all vectors as on this background section, and here the frame, this is not part of the flattened vectors. So guys, as you can see here, there and easy to do. I hope this video helpful for you. Subscribe to my channel for more.